and welcome back to our channel, Thesisterssecrets Official. So today here I am with a really exciting video. It is something that is inspired by hectic lifestyles, people who are just busy to dedicate their time and energy to skincare or self-care for that matter. So before I begin, I want to really respect all the people out there living by themselves. I really understand now how difficult is it to just get out of your comfort zone and do something on your own, even if it is just making a simple face mask. Because when I used to be at home, my mom would just take care of it. Like she would mix up something or my sister would do it for me and I would just go apply it when I have times. And now I'm just like, I have to do every single thing on my own. It's an exciting journey, but I understand that you always don't have the time and ingredients to, do the right skincare and treat the exact problem that you're going through right now. But not to worry, because here I am with a very simple DIY, something that's an all-rounder and requires only 2 ingredients. So why waste time, and let's begin. Treat pimples and breakouts and congested skin that's on your forehead, on the sides of your face. Probably help you with excess oil and dehydration as well. And the best part, it's going to help with pigmentation and discolored skin. It's going to take time, so you gotta be patient, but the results are worth it. I can promise you that. So for this, all you need is to begin with cinnamon, and honey. You know how much we love our honey, don't you? And before we guys begin, don't you think that honey and cinnamon is the best damn combination ever? Like, it smells fantastic together, doesn't it? Oh, I'm craving dessert so badly right now. So there are 2 ways to do this DIY. Either you can spot treat with a Q-tip if you're running late, or you can use a brush and apply it all over your face. So before we start the mask, I want to tell you a couple of important things. Number 1, if you have extremely dry skin but you're breaking out at the same time, I recommend that you spot treat the mask together and apply and on the rest of your face just apply honey. Let your skin hydrate and come back to its normal zone before you start using cinnamon, because it can get a bit tingly and your skin might get a bit dry, because it does have drying properties. But it's all natural, so it will not leave a scar on your skin. But again, why do you want to make your skin dry when it's already dry? Second, if you have an oily skin, you can definitely use it all over your face. For example, I have a combination skin, so there are parts of my face that are really dry and there are parts of my face that are really oily. Obviously, the T-zone is pretty oily, but like the sides of my nose, as you can see here, it's pretty sensitive, so it gets red really quickly. So I don't like using cinnamon on the sides of my nose or near my brows, because then it just makes me look red and irritated for no reason. So I just apply honey on the sides, but I use the cinnamon and honey mask on the rest of my face. I hope that's not too confusing. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section and I'll definitely answer. So guys, let's not waste time. Let's guys, I can see how clean and fresh my skin looks. I love it. It feels super hydrated and clean at the same time. I really love masks that actually do that to my skin. So I hope you enjoyed applying this mask just as much as I did. When it comes to the usage, I think you can use it up to 2 to 3 times a week. You can use honey every single day if you'd like to. I do that sometimes when I'm just feeling like my skin is looking too dull and it's just not going very well with me, so I just use honey every single day sometimes. But with cinnamon, I recommend 2 to 3 times a week is more than enough. So make sure you follow it up by a facial moisturizer that you use. Because we did a mask, I don't really recommend using a toner because your skin is just doing fine. But if that's something that really works out for you, I think you should definitely go ahead and do it. I use the Aesop in 2 Minds Facial Hydrator. It's an Australian brand. I really love it. It's so good for combination skin. If you want, I can link it down in the comment section down below. And I'm going to follow it up by my sunscreen. It's by Neutrogena. It's Ultra Sheer 50 SPF and it's broad spectrum. So that's also great. I love the fact that how the sunscreen is non-greasy. So even if you apply it on your face, it's not like you have too many layers and your skin is just looking oily. So make sure that you do use a sunscreen that really suits your skin type. It's really, really important, guys. So now let's cut to the chase. I hope you enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed shooting this for you guys. I have 3 more amazing videos lined up. So make sure you click the bell icon. Make sure you're subscribing. Make sure you're up to date with the channel just so you know that you don't miss out on anything. If you want, you definitely should follow me on Instagram as well. I do post that on a daily basis. I'm a little bit more active there compared to YouTube. So you can also keep a track of what's going on and what's new, what's not, and different things like that. And I'm always available to chat. So if you just want to shoot some questions, you can always follow me on Instagram. Also, you know how it goes. No secret is well kept unless everyone knows it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.